Hi, girls. Hope you've had a great week. I know that we've all learned so much, and I wanted to say that I'm excited to be kicking off this video with you today. Many of us have decided to say hello to you from our homes to your home, so I hope you'll enjoy it. Wanted to also say that this is the first week of April, which is one of my favorite months, and especially because it is, whether you know it or not, National Poetry Month. And we have a tradition at Harpeth Hall. Many of our teachers share their favorite poems with each other. So I thought I would do that with you today. One of my favorites is this poem that's very well known. You probably know it by John Donne, and it's called No Man is an Island. One thing I love about poetry is that any emotion we're feeling, there is always a poem that describes it wonderfully. So I thought I would just read this one today. No man is an island, entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. If a clod be washed away by the sea, Europe is the less, as well as if a promontory were, as well as any manner of thy friends or of thine own were. Any man's death diminishes me, because I am involved in mankind, and therefore never sin to know for whom the bell tolls, it tolls for thee. Hope you enjoy our video, and I hope you have a great weekend.